Ciao, I'm Chiara from perfiloesegno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful baby blanket with a furry edge. It's a very easy project and great for beginners. For this project I use Gap from Mondial. You can find more information in the info box below, and Coccola, a super bulky fur yarn. Then 4.5mm hook and 6.5mm hook for the details of the edge. So now we are going to make a big square with a simple granny stitch. So we start with a magic ring, then chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the ring. Chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the ring. Chain 2 and repeat 2 more times. Now pull the starting tail, then use a slip stitch in the third chain to close the round. Now we use chain 3 to perform the first double crochet. We do 2 double crochet in the first space. Then we move on to the next space where we do 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same space. Then we move on the next space again and we do 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. Now we move on in the third space. We do 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now we return to the first space and complete the round with the 3 double crochet, chain 2 and a slip stitch in the third chain. In the third round we will do 1 increase in each corner and 1 3 double crochet in each side. First we do chain 3 and 2 double crochet. We move on the next space. This is the side. So 3 double crochet in the space. Now move in the second corner and repeat again 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now we move on the next space, the next side, 3 double crochet. Then repeat again on corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. and repeat this sequence all the way around. Finally complete the last corner with 3 double crochet, then chain 2 and then a slip stitch. A slip stitch into the third chain. Now you are just going to repeat working 1 increase in each corner, here where you see the marker, and working 1 group of 3 double crochet in each space sides. So let's repeat together again 1 more time. If you don't want to start in the corner, but in one of these sides, use a slip stitch until you reach the next space. And now chain 3 and 2 double crochet in the same space. Move on in the next space, 3 double crochet. Now remove the first marker and increase, working 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. And continue until the end of this round. Now you are just going to repeat until you have a square about 65 centimeters or 26 inches. Okay, this is my 65 centimeters square. Look a beautiful shade of colors of this yarn. You can find more information about this yarn in the info box below. So now slip stitch in the third chain to close this last round. Cut the yarn and chain 1 to make a knot. Now we are ready to take the fur yarn coccola and the 6mm hook, and we are going to work 2 double crochet in each space all the way around. Work 3 double crochet in each corner for a better finish. So go ahead until the end of this round. Slip stitch into the first double crochet to complete this row. And now we are going to cut the yarn, and I want to show you the finished project. I really like the colors of this yarn, and I think that this fur edge makes the blanket even more softer, even more cuddly. So now grab your yarn needle and we are going to weave the tails inside your project. The granny baby blanket is now complete. As you can see, this is a very easy and pretty project. If you want to have a bigger blanket, you just have to keep on increasing the corner. So I would love to see your baby blanket and the different colors that you choose for yours. So remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!